Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, are beetles that are well known for their fascinating ability to produce light. This process of light production is called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a chemical reaction that occurs within the body of the firefly, allowing them to emit light. The purpose of this light emission varies from mating signals to defense mechanisms. How fireflies produce light. The light production in fireflies is due to a chemical reaction that involves a light-emitting molecule called luciferin, an enzyme named luciferase, adenosine triphosphate, ATP, and oxygen. The cells that contain these components are known as photocytes and are concentrated in the lower abdomen of the firefly. 1. Luciferin is the substrate, or the compound that undergoes the change in the presence of luciferase. 2. The enzyme luciferase acts on luciferin in the presence of oxygen, which is facilitated by ATP, the energy currency of the cell. 3. When luciferin is oxidized, it produces a high-energy intermediate state. 4. As the excited intermediate returns to its ground state, it emits a photon, which is a particle of light. 5. The color of the light emitted can vary from yellow to green to pale red, with the most common color being a yellowish green, and the wavelength of firefly light is between 510 to 670 nanometers. Purpose of bioluminescence. The most recognized purpose of bioluminescence in fireflies is for mating. Each species of firefly has its unique pattern of light flashing, which is used to attract mates. The males fly around and emit a species-specific flashing pattern, while females watch from a stationary position. When a female sees a suitable mate, she may respond with a flash of her own to communicate her location and receptiveness. Predator deterrence. The light can act as a warning to predators. Some species of fireflies contain chemicals that are distasteful or toxic, and the light they emit can signal to potential predators that they are not a good target for a meal. Prey attraction. In some cases, the light may be used to lure prey. Such predatory fireflies use their light to mimic the mating flashes of other species, tricking potential mates into coming closer, only to become a meal. Conservation status. It's worth noting that fireflies are facing ecological threats such as habitat loss, light pollution, and pesticide use, which impact their populations. These factors can disrupt their mating communications and thus their ability to reproduce. Conservation efforts are important to ensure these fascinating creatures are not lost. Fireflies continue to intrigue scientists and nature lovers alike with their ability to produce light. This natural wonder is not only a beautiful spectacle on warm summer nights, but also serves important functions for the survival of fireflies. Understanding and preserving the habitats where they thrive is essential for maintaining the enchanting displays of these luminous insects.